Hi, I'm Koki Barini with Perfect Day and Perfect Day Connect. The Perfect Day workshop experience, which we deliver annually, hopefully in a city near you, is a great time and experience to take time out of your busy schedules to work on your business as opposed to working in your business. We just finished an amazing workshop here today in Charleston, South Carolina, and what happened was exactly what I thought would happen.
Yes, I can definitely relate to the lifestyle deficit disorder as an entrepreneur because there's only so much time in your day, right? But I think it's also what you choose to focus on, what you choose to apply your time to, and making sure that you're using every moment in the way that you truly want to use it, that moves you towards your vision.
A lot of these things you know in your head, you just needed somebody to get you off the mark.
Hone in on what am I doing and have that clarity and consciousness about how am I spending my life? How am I spending my resources? And time being the greatest.
A very productive, very insightful exercise to go through to really examine those different layers of the 4 buckets.
Then I really think that the Perfect Day process could benefit you. It's this idea of marrying our money and our finances to that of our values and what's really, really important to us so that we can find this life of joy and happiness. My goal is to impact entrepreneurs and individuals alike who just feel that they have a never-ending to-do list and or have very little time to give back, which ultimately gives them joy and happiness in life. So with that, until we meet again, have a perfect day.